Right, alien fam, you already know the vibe, man. Went to Chick-fil-A. Got some good eats. Showing you guys how we eat. Yeah, we some fat asses. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. We love Chick-fil-A. You always gotta get the Chick-fil-A sauce. We did. My son loves to eat. Got him the little, you know what I'm saying? Kids meal. Ain't really little. He got, what he got over here? He got 8-piece nuggets. Yeah, he don't play no game. We got a little, what we got for you, baby boy? We got a little toy mask, something like that, something cool. I like how they have like cool creative things. Sometimes it's a book, sometimes a coloring book. You know the vibes. Chick-fil-A, where's that? You got his little fries. Well, big ass fry. Throw this coming up, yeah. So he got nuggets, fries, and rice and juice. But it's not your regular kid right here. He's only 2 years old. He just turned 2. And April 29th. On Monday. The day. It was a good and bad day. The good thing was his birthday. Bad. I failed my road test.
But then what happened?
But you know, I decided to take it again. On Wednesday.
Why did you eat my son's fries, bro?
And I passed. Doesn't really matter.
It does.
He's not gonna eat it. Plus I got mine over here.
Yeah, so eat yours.
Oh my god, I'm talking too much, I'm dying. I never did this before. I don't know how y'all do it. I need my breath. Hold up.
Back. Chicken?
Damn. Let me check this video.
You like chicken?
Oh man. Alright. We got Bill over there, you know the vibes. Fat
So,
ass. You fat. Yeah, show him what you got, fat ass.
DoorDash, you just put the order in and you just order it over there.
Look what Shorty got, man. You worry about DoorDash?
I'm wondering.
Look what Shorty got. What we got over here? What's this? I think this is the 12 piece.
This is Amir's never time.
We got 12 piece over here.
Put them onto the.
Oh shit. We got the
Put them onto the short
deluxe
thing.
with pepper jack. You know the
What?
vibes.
You put it through the hole.
Oh man, this like oh.
Wait, what?
This right here, baby.
Yo, Chick-fil-A better cut
Amazing.
the check, bro.
Yo, Chick-fil-A.
You better cut the check.
Yo, Chick-fil-A is so lit
Matter of
that
fact-
they're closed on Sundays.
Bro, they could keep the check. Just sponsor us. Give us free food.
I don't think that'd be a good idea because you know what? We're just gonna get fat.
What you mean? This is healthy vibes.
Alien family, we don't need that right now.
There's no grease.
There's no grease.
Alright, well, I'm on.
There's no grease.
That's big right there. Oh yeah, the big got the same thing. There you go.
Yeah, take a bath and finish. So,
We got the nuggets with my sauce.
wait, you got me with the same cheese?
Yeah, it's
The
pepper
spicy
jack
ass
cheese.
cheese?
Well, I don't know what to tell you. You eat
Are
it
you
or not?
kidding me?
Eat it or not? I don't mind eating it. Here, you want
I eat
it?
American cheese, not no spicy cheese.
American cheese is
Take it
fake.
off,
You must
bro.
not eat that.
Take it off.
Alright, we got 12 piece nuggets.
It's melted. It's stuck on.
I thought I was back. With
No,
my
but
cheese.
this is
Just in
spicy.
case
I don't
you
like
was
spicy
wondering
food.
who's talking in the back is my middle brother. See, I
He's
have
insecure right now because he's very ugly.
which I don't know why.
You look perfectly fine. You got a hoodie on, bro.
When it comes to looks,
You're coolin'.
I already know I'm gorgeous.
Shut up.
Just because I don't got a haircut, I ain't shit. I already know I'm good.
No, please.
My son is gorgeous.
Of course he is. Who
Isn't
carried him
that
9
your
months?
symbol?
Who carried him 9 months?
Well, he has all my DNA and he's sexy. Like his daddy. He got the curve like his daddy. So I ain't worried about my looks right now.
Oh.
This food is amazing though. And you want some french fries?
No, you're not happy again.
A little bit. With the sauce.
Can't even bite it. Look
He
at
did a little piece. My son just wanted the sauce.
cherries, baby, too.
Oh Man, this is amazing. This is actually my first time trying it with the pepper jack.
And if it's terrible, you're going right back to it. Because you like, why would he put pepper jack in mine?
Yo, I seriously don't know how y'all do these videos where y'all eat and talk at the same time.
Could you let the gang know how long this girl takes to eat?
Oh,
I take care of my food. The fuck?
yo,
If
this
you eat too
girl,
fast, you will get fat.
this girl
You gotta let your food
takes.
digest correctly.
She would take literally 2 hours to eat one sandwich.
2 hours.
Damn, look how crispy this is.
Yo, their lettuce is like the size of my head, bro. I swear to God.
Damn, this is amazing. What happened, son?
Aiden fell asleep with an attitude. He's dumb tight.
Just in case you didn't know who Aiden was, he's my youngest son.
Who can't eat this yet, but when he can, he will be in the videos with us.
He's sleeping right now, so we ain't going to interrupt him.
Why the chicken
Interrupt
nuggets didn't taste like this when we went in the summertime with your cousin? That did not taste this.
I don't know what you're talking about.
With Marife, when we went to...
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, I know
They
what you're talking
were
about.
bad. They were really nasty.
I don't really like those nuggets.
They actually taste good right now.
I'm not gonna lie though, with the pepper jack and even the spicy, the other tastes pretty good. I am impressed.
I am afraid to eat it.
You don't want it, I'll tell you.
I'm gonna eat. Well,
You know, I don't play.
you gotta pick up the camera and show like all the food. Show the table.
They can see it. They can see it. They see all the food.
It's just like a dumb pack. Full
Of course it's packed. You know we don't play when it comes to Chick-fil-A.
Here, baby.
I was actually gonna get 2 pepper jacks,
You're a beast, man.
but the total was gonna be almost $50. And
Are
I
you
said,
sure? Why already telling them how broke you are?
because they need to know the truth. So,
We broke out here, baby.
Right, man? He's a clown.
We broke out here.
I'd rather pay $30 than 50. So,
For food though? $50?
Okay.
yeah, I should spend the what? What we spend? What we spend? I spent $27.34. It's alright. I gotta
So how
feed 3
come-
people.
Every penny's worth it though.
Of course. Just my brother's meal was like $20.
Because
Nah.
he be beasting with his
Right?
large,
15.
with his
15.
large ass
That's just
Milkshake.
it.
milkshake. Yeah.
He's mad basic though. He gets the basic ass chicken sandwich.
Where your
Nothing.
lettuce, bro?
No cheese, no lettuce.
You just lucky the chicken's not dry.
I'm surprised he even has buns.
Bro.
But, you know, he's eating his
It's just
regular.
Since the
Regular,
chicken-
degular
since the chicken
sandwich.
is not dry, he's good.
This is a chicken that matters and the sauce.
Now,
Oh
the
my
sauce is
God.
fire. Baby.
We have so much sauce of these in the. What type of fraud are they with this pepper jack cheese?
What are you talking to? You talking to the Aiden family out there? Talk to them, baby boy. Daddy eating. You eating? You not eating? You full? Uh-oh.
No more? Once he starts passing things, and when he want to get out the chair, he's done.
I'm done with y'all.
Huh?
He's like, I'm done with y'all.
Oh, my
Oh,
God.
front flip.
His stomach.
That's just
His
butter.
belly. Oh.
This boy eat way too much. You about to burn some calories right now. What are you doing, baby boy? Get baby kiss, baby. I get baby kiss.
Baby brother?
Not the camera. You get camera kiss. Mwah. Mwah.
Oh.
Oh, be careful with baby brother, baby.
That's 3 bites.
3 bites.
Oh, wow.
Prince!
We can fix that. It's just the bun. Relax, bro. Like,
She got mad germs now.
how will I have mad dreams? Bro, you're eating, you focus on the child. What you want to do?
Everything at once. You know I'm a mother,
How are you
right?
gonna do it? He's right there. He's not going nowhere.
Well,
Oh boy. Anyways, back to my food and don't
only a
touch
mother
my
understands her
fries.
job.
What's wrong with you, kid? Like, learn your manners,
Yo, look
bro.
at this fat like, come on, bro. Why does lettuce have to be that big?
Because they want you to be more healthy.
About to go on Roberto time. Plain chicken.
That's a fad. I'm not trying to deal with all that other shit.
Ain't nothing wrong with that. Add the Chick-fil-A sauce and you lit.
You know what's crazy? Y'all the only people. Why is there a pickle in my sandwich? I just felt
Why is there a pickle in my sandwich?
dirty. Y'all the only people I know that put lettuce in your tacos.
Tacos.
Yeah.
Why are we talking about
don't-
tacos?
Lettuce don't go in tacos.
Why
I
do
just
you
thought of
care?
that because we're talking about lettuce. The lettuce
But lettuce goes on your Chipotle bowl, right?
That's different. That's different. But if you were to speak to a taco expert, like Mexican,
Eat your
they
food.
do pico de gallo.
Beep up, beep up.
It's cilantro, onion,
Well, you can put whatever the fuck you
and
want. on top.
tomato. No, bro. No. That's not the right way.
Who are you to tell me what to put in my food?
Word. Especially that taco. At this
Taco
point,
police,
Bro.
bitch.
at this point, you can put a fucking Mahone.
Yo, bro.
Oh
I
my
don't know what
God.
you're talking about, but that's bad language. Since I'm still hungry,
I'm still hungry.
I'll be taking advantage of my nuggets that I purchased.
That I
my
ate
food?
most of.
It's alright. Because I know for a fact you're not going to finish that whole sandwich, so
That's a
I'll be
fact.
taking that. I'll be taking that.
Matter of fact, that's gonna be a challenge for this video then. Here we go.
I'll quick pay you $100 right now if you finish that. And I can record myself sending her the money.
Stop fucking lying,
You
bitch.
better.
I don't got time for you and your
Alright.
lies. You know how much money you owe
Finish
me?
that. Finish that, wait.
I'm gonna finish it, nigga. I'm
Alright.
hungry.
What do you think is better than Chick-fil-A?
Nothing. Actually, comment below what you guys order in Chick-fil-A. And comment.
I'm tired of ordering the
What you
same
mean there's
thing.
nothing else to order in Chick-fil-A?
No, I'm saying I always order the same thing.
You're just
comment
basic.
below.
You're
comment.
just basic and whack. So guys, comment below. Would you guys like to eat for Chick-fil-A?
I
And
will be
comment
trying
below what would you guys love to eat from Chick-fil-A if you never had it. So go to
How would they
Google.
know?
You go to Google, like I just said right now. Go to Chick-fil-A menu, and you'll see the various of food that they have, which is amazing. Varieties.
Alright, so long story short, comment below.
Varieties.
Variety.
Varieties. What she said.
You see that? Why is only chicken on this side? Why they did me like that? There's literally only chicken on this side.
You know how to eat it.
I can't
Fuck
take this
you, me.
girl out nowhere to eat, man. But you know what? It's actually a good thing because I could just get her a kids meal. She'll be cool.
But sugar with fries.
Chicken tenders with fries.
I'm not your basic brother.
I mean, it doesn't matter. You're not gonna eat the whole meal. Anyways, I'll eat it myself anyways.
Just because I'm too exotic to just be eating Chick-fil-A all the time. I want shrimp. I want lobster.
Okay. Go to the fucking ocean.
Look how much I ate. How many sauces I just ate.
Oh, shit.
Alright, whatever.
I
Alright,
can't
and then
breathe.
family, we just finished eating. As you can see, she hasn't finished eating. But
I
now
did.
she's
I
done.
did though.
Whatever.
You can't use parts in that.
Bro,
Chicken
what is
is
that?
The chicken.
Oh, son.
Oh, I
Shut
ate
up.
I ate the nuggets too. ¿Qué?
What? Show them what the sauces. Done.
You're just gonna color on
Done,
yourself
done,
with the
done,
marker.
done.
You should have known what you're getting yourself into by
Alright, Aiden family, we out of here. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Stay tuned to our channel. Keep watching more videos that we're about to be posting. Stay up to date. We'll be posting another one hopefully this week. I mean, most likely we will because it's like I said, my son's party celebration. But take care, guys. Aiden family.